What's up guys, Dan here from Rockville, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the RDA4+8K dual amplifier kit. Let's check it out. Here we have one set of 17-foot translucent twisted pair double shielded 100% OFC audiophile RCA cables with metal plugs, a 6-foot 8-gauge high current low impedance translucent silver soft ground cable, a 3-foot 4-gauge high current low impedance translucent silver soft ground cable, a 17-foot 4-gauge high current low impedance translucent red soft power cable, one 6-foot 8-gauge high current low impedance translucent red soft power cable, one 15-foot 12-gauge translucent blue silver heavy duty soft speaker wire, one 16-foot 18-gauge violet remote turn on wire, here we have our 7-foot split tube loom, and all of our installation accessories. Alright, so there you have it, the unboxing of the RDA4+8K. To get your hands on your very own, just click the links below.